We're going to talk about something today that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel. But here's the thing, it's not. It's real. And it's happening inside your own head right now. All right, let's just jump right in. What if I told you that your skull, yeah, the very bone that protects your brain, is actually filled with a secret network of microscopic tunnels? Tunnels that, get this, scientists are only just now starting to understand. Well, take a look at this. This is the real deal. Those spidery, intricate lines you see? Those aren't cracks in the bone. That is a vast, hidden network of channels. And they've been there the entire time. So, what are we actually looking at here? For the very first time, researchers have officially described this incredible network. These, you could call them secret passages, that run from the bone marrow inside your skull directly to the protective layers around your brain. Now, the technical name for them is microforamina, but really, just think of them as these super tiny pipelines. They start in the spongy bone marrow of your skull, that's called the diplo, and they connect straight to the meninges, those delicate membranes wrapped around your brain. And when I say tiny, I mean tiny. We're talking anywhere from just 0.03 millimeters, which is way smaller than a human hair, up to about 2 millimeters. They've literally been hiding in plain sight. This whole discovery comes from some amazing work led by a researcher named Emiliano Brunner. His team checked out 94 different human skulls, and what they found is kind of wild. This network, it's completely unique to each person. Some people might have just a few of these channels, while others could have hundreds. It's almost like a fingerprint, but on the inside of your skull. Okay, so obviously this leads to the million-dollar question, right? Why are they even there? What's the point of this secret plumbing system inside all of our heads? Well, scientists have three main ideas floating around right now. First, they could be a superhighway for your immune cells, letting them zip from your bone marrow straight to your brain to fight off trouble. Second, they might help with temperature control, helping your brain stay cool. And third, and this one is a really big deal, they might be a key part of how the brain takes out the trash. Let's zoom in on that last idea for a second, the waste clearance one. These channels seem to be tied into something called the glymphatic system. And the absolute best way to picture this system? It's the brain's nightly cleaning crew. No joke. While you're asleep, it's busy flushing out all the toxic gunk that builds up during the day. And this right here is where this discovery becomes so incredibly important for all of us. Because when that cleaning system fails, or just doesn't work right, the consequences can be absolutely devastating. And that is the crucial connection. When this whole waste removal process gets messed up, it's been linked to some of the most challenging neurological conditions we face. We're talking Alzheimer's disease, stroke, depression, and even things like migraines and anxiety. I mean, listen to what the lead researcher, Emiliano Brunner, says himself. He said, the inflammatory response of the brain is related to diseases such as Alzheimer's, stroke, or depression. You see, understanding these channels could totally change how we approach these conditions. But here's the thing. This discovery isn't happening in a bubble. It's actually part of a much bigger revolution in brain science. Understanding these physical pathways is becoming a huge deal, especially with the explosion of new technology that's changing how we monitor and treat the brain. We are diving headfirst into an era of what they're calling digital therapeutics. Think about it. We've got wearables from companies like Apple tracking our sleep, which we now know is critical for that brain cleaning process. We've got AI from places like Google helping us analyze patterns of brain inflammation. There are even voice assistants like Alexa being developed to spot health problems early. It's all connected. And things are moving so fast that even the FDA is changing the rules to keep up. They've created a whole new program to approve software developers, not just a single piece of hardware. That's going to speed up innovation like you wouldn't believe. I mean, can you imagine a future therapy designed to boost the flow through these very channels? The path to getting that help to people is getting faster and faster. So let's circle back to these tiny channels in our skull, because they're not just about the future of medicine. They also give us this incredible, just mind-bending look into our own deep evolutionary past. Okay, now get ready for this, because this timeline is just, wow. We're just formally describing these things in modern humans now, right? But these structures, they are ancient. Brunner's team found similar channels in 800,000-year-old fossils of Homo antecessor. They even found them in Neanderthals. This brand new discovery has been a part of our lineage all along. And it all comes back to that one idea, the sheer potential here. The lead researcher, Emiliano Brunner, really said it best. His words were, the possible medical significance is simply enormous. From our evolution to fighting Alzheimer's, this hidden network could literally change everything. So let's leave you with this final thought. For hundreds of thousands of years, this complex network has been silently working away inside the skulls of our ancestors and inside your skull right now. It just makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other profound secrets are hiding right inside of us, just waiting to be discovered?